AssetWhere Facilities Management enables schools to manage their maintainable assets and schedule maintenance or create ad hoc maintenance requests as required on any of their individual assets. So let's have a look. I've come into AssetWhere Facilities Management. I'm going to look at the assets from all of the buildings. So on the left, you can see all of the buildings here, and you can see there's a huge number of assets shown. Now I'm selecting the Adams building, and all of the individual assets you can see on the screen. Select air conditioning, and I'm going to look at the Dakin unit here. So instantly I get key information here. It's insured, replacement date, it's located in the design lab and so on, when it was installed, when the warranty, what its replacement value is. I've also got the QR code here, which then I can print and attach to the individual asset. So you've got really quick access to the information by just holding your phone there. I can also click on the attachments, and you can see here that I've got a picture of the actual Dakin unit where the QR code could be printed and attached. Then I've got these ad hoc job requests, but I can show the history of all of the ad hoc requests, so you can see the amount of maintenance that's been done on any particular asset. I can create a job, or I can schedule a job that needs to be undertaken. That might be quite a regular review of an individual asset, for example, cleaning the filters in air conditioning.